is Kate. So I just finished doing the Waku Waku animal candy. And this is the taste test of it. I don't know if I just put the whole thing in my mouth.
Just go for it. Eat the whole thing. Let it die.
It's not bad as far as like a candy. It's just so sweet. The yellow taffy part tastes lemony. And then the pink thing that I used to make some of the things taste like stuff. So I guess that's it. It's really sweet.